In this tutorial, I'll show you how to integrate Google Calendar with Clickup so you can keep your tasks and schedule perfectly in sync. Start by opening your Clickup workspace and make sure you're in the correct workspace where you want the integration applied. Next, look at the left sidebar and click on the More option. This is where Clickup keeps additional features and integrations. From there, select Apps. This section allows you to connect Clickup with other tools you use daily. Now, scroll through the list or use the search bar to find Google Calendar. Once you see it, click on it to begin the setup process. Clickup will now prompt you to connect your Google account. Choose the correct account, especially if you use multiple calendars for different purposes. After selecting your account, you'll see a permission screen. Go ahead and click Allow so Clickup can access and sync your calendar events. Once approved, the integration is complete. Now your Google Calendar, events, and Clickup tasks can work together, giving you a unified view of your schedule without switching between apps. If the sync doesn't appear instantly, give it a few seconds and refresh.